To begin with Socrative.com, you start at their website, Socrative.com, and you go to Teacher Login. From this page, you'll be asked if you want to create an account, a free account right here. You can just create an independent account, or you can sign up using a Google account. To create a quiz, you need to go down to Managing Quizzes. Then click on Create a Quiz. From there, you can give your quiz a name, and I'm going to call this Geometry Practice 1. You can share it with fellow teachers if they also have Socrative accounts. And there are 3 types of questions you can put into your quiz. The first question that I have is a true-false question. So you go down to add a question and you select the kind of question you want to add. For my true-false question, it's a logic question. If an angle is acute, then it measures 72 degrees. This is false, so you just select the correct answer. And then under explanation, this is optional, but if you type in an explanation here, if the students get it wrong as they're entering their answers, this explanation will come up for them to see. Any angle less than 90 degrees is acute, not just 72 degree angles. Okay. Once you're done with that, you go down to the bottom and you just go ahead and start selecting the next kind of question you want to add, and it will automatically be saved. The next one's going to be multiple choice. So the first thing I have to do is type in the question, name this angle. And before I choose my answers, I want to be able to look at the picture. So go down here to where it says add image, and you'll choose one. I have them saved on my desktop. Name angles. Open it and it'll show right here. This is the angle. So I'm making this a multiple choice question, so I'm going to give them their options right here. Number 1 is going to be angle D. Number 2, we could call it angle F. Number 3, we could call it angle E. And number 4, I'm going to make it one that's not even a way to name an angle, angle DF. And I only want 4 options, so I'm going to delete number 5. So in this case, the correct answer is angle F, so I select that one. And my explanation to them, if they get it wrong, is that you name an angle by its vertex. It's the vertex that matters. The last question I have is short answer. To measure angle, and I don't remember what it is, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and show my image so I can come back and name it. Okay, so the name of the angle I'm trying to get them to measure is angle XWZ. So go back up here, click on it to edit, measure angle XWZ. This one is short answer. The correct answer, it's optional because you could also use Socrative just to get opinion answers. In my case, I usually use this for a quick check for them where there is a right or a wrong answer. In this case, it's 120 degrees. My explanation to them is that you subtract the degrees on the sides of the angle. Okay, when you're done, you go up here to save and exit, and it's automatically saved. You go to your dashboard for your options now. You can go to manage your quizzes, and you can edit what you already have. Here's my quizzes that I've created. You can click on here and you can duplicate it, delete it, download it, or edit. To start the quiz, everyone needs to be within range of the computer. This isn't something that they can just do at home. So when everyone's in the classroom, you go here, you click on the quiz, it'll give you some options. I like this immediate feedback one. You can use it for student-paced where they don't get to see the answers until the end, or teacher paste where you just want to do one question at a time and show the results. You can make it anonymous. You can, by disabling their names, you can have all these options you can play around with. You click Start, and this shows you your classroom.